Hey guys, night time in Bendall. Monday evening. Things will be closing up a bit earlier tonight. Maybe not. Churro place, corner of town. The shop's getting this sports clothing now. Gone down that way on the other video. We're up there this way this time. What they call Gin and Tonic Street. All those different gins down here. 400 we believe. I think somebody stole me that. Monday evening, so not expecting to be packed down here. Have a look there. Quite a few people out for a Monday evening. It's 10 to 11 now. And obviously it's still warm enough to sit out. Yeah, try and get down the other end of town later on. Trying to do a lot of filming tonight. Eva 13 and Eva 15. Yeah, we're going to look down through here now. Plenty of people out, guys. Right, Monday evening. Quite packed. Bars there at the back. Yeah, a bit of music going on, so I'm going to keep talking. What it's all about though, guys. 24th of October, you still sat outside, enjoying yourself. Really nice to see it back, like a little bit yet last year. Now it's eased up a bit more. I think it's near enough back to normal.
Hello.
Hey, what's your name? You want to put his name on camera there? There we go. Good to see a lot, all of the bars. I can say a lot of the bars, but all of the bars have got people outside. Sitting there waiting, having a drink and a chat to their friends. We're coming over for Fancy Dress Day this year. Pretty fancy dress day. Just hope the weather lasts. If this warm, it'd be really nice. Okay, that was Gin and Tonic Street. So we're moving on now. The candy shop there. Candyland. Clothing shop on the other corner. Walnut supermarket there, I think. Maybe. Just down the end of Gin and Tonic Street now. Recommend this place. Probably can't see too much in the dark there. They do all the cups. If you want a cup with your favourite team on, come down there. I think they're about £5, maybe £8. €8 rather. Still call them quids, mate. Yeah, really good.
Yeah. I'll have a look tomorrow, but I don't know, mate.
We're like 2 minutes off the sea now. You can see that boat out at sea there. Fishing boat, I should imagine. There you go. And where he's off the fetch. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to watch that one coming up in the card now. Should be good. I'll see you over there. Bye.